kailan pa. Sa bawat sandaling ako'y iyong hatkan ng iyong mga halik. Sana'y huwag nang matapos pa. Aking nadarama sa tuwing kapiling ka, ako'y nasasabik. Sa'yo lamang ilalaan ang isang ligayang walang hanggan. Kahit na nagsasalo tayo sa isang kasalanan. Ng panahon at pagkakataong puno ng pangambang ika'y mawal ay pa. Sana'y huwag nang matapos pa. Aking nadarama sa tuwing kapiling ka, ako'y nasasabik. Sa'yo lamang ilalaan ang isang ligayang walang hanggan. Kahit na nagsasalo tayo sa isang kasalanan. Sabihin nila basta'y pag-ibig sa ating dalalawan. Sa'yo lamang ilalaan ang isang pagsuyong walang hanggan. Kahit na nagsasama tayo sa isang kasalanan. Kasalanan. Nakaupingin, sumasabay sa hangin. Sabihin mo sa'kin anong kailangan kong gawin upang malalapitan, mamasdan at mahawakan. Tagla mong kagayang langit, habot kamay ang langit. Habot kamay, kataglay ng lamot, tinigayay ang langit. Habot kamay, kataglay ng lamot, tinigayangit. Nais kong puputing kislap ng mga bituin, samyo ng umaga sa hardin. Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malapitan, mamasdan at mahawakan? Abot kamay, dahanin. Abot kamay ang langit, abot kamay magtaglay ng amat. Miwi kamay ang langit, Nagdadala ng anak, binibiyay ang langit, apot kamay ang langit, apot kamay ang langit, apot kamay ang langit, binibiyay ang langit. Sarap pa naman ng gising ko, kay ganda pa naman ng timpla ko. Eto ka dumarating na mamaalam, hindi ko alam ang sasabihin o gagawin. Sa loob-loob ko lang, hindi kumpleta ang buhay ko kapag nawalay ka sa piling ko. Pero kung may trip ka ng iba, okay lang, kahit paminsan-minsan lang tayo nagkikita. Musika sinira mong araw ko, pwede bang isoli mong sing-sing ko? Pambihira ka naman kung kailan naman ako nahuhulog sa isa ka mo ako iiwan. Sa loob ko lang, hindi ko gato kung ang panuwain ka sa piling ko. Ayaw tumakita na titapilan at upuwi sa gits, anday mawang ng kikita. Panlalasin na lang ako. Salamoan kita, hindi kumpleto ang buhay ko kapag nawalay ka sa kama ko. Pero kung may trip ka ng iba, okay lang, kahit paminsan-minsan lang may no nang kikita. Daylight tries when I'm lying in my bed, hug my pillow and cry from this tip again. And my eyes, all the wind chills on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling. I keep on my fatigue. You come on, no battle, whoever knows how I am, how embittered I am. This angel has gone away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set you free. Did what I did, we got lovers, so what you never find a way back home to me. Get the runs of breathing. Get the runs of breathing. Get the run home to me. Yeah. Like catching 40 wings, being up all night in this elbow room puts me in a trance where hopes and dreams come true. When I parch me, then my hopes and dreams come true. Just nothing of plaza, who heaven knows how I. Then there's fighting for Lord, call I need you too. Nothing of plaza, who heaven knows how I. And out and be it I am. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did 'cause I love her so, but she'll find a way back home to me. Raven Martha Ray, Raven Martha Ray, Raven love, come to me.
sa dilim. Ito na pinakahintay natin. Heto nayo magkayakap sa dilim. O kay sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap
is under the sea. There's a place where the sun's inside a cup of tea. There's a place you can go where no one else has been but me. There's a man on his throne who thinks the world's his own. He would live, he believed, he would never be alone. He would dine, he would wine, but no one else is there but him. Welcome to the garden, my friend. This is where your broken hearts mend. Come into the garden, my friend. Don't be scared to hold my hand. This is where your loneliness ends. There's a girl in the sky, she's laughing as she cries. She is one with the world and she never wants to die. There's a song she would sing that no one understands but her. There's a child who's awake every night and every day. Not a care in the world, not a problem what he says. There's a game he would play, he wanted all of you to stay. That never goes away. There's a time in my life that is better than today. There's a place I would go where no one else has been but me. Welcome to the garden, my friend. This is where your broken hearts mend. Come into the garden, my friend. Don't be scared to hold my hand. This is where your loneliness ends. How do we get there? 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 Love is the key. Garden.